Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn With Me. In our last video, we have talked about break, continue, and pass. And in today's video, we will be implementing all of the things that we have taken in our 10 videos and make a project. So this is our project. Before we talk about the topics, we have an input field. We put numbers, and we put numbers until we put a negative number. So we are putting, let's say, 10, 100, 1,000, 2, 24, 55, anything. And we're increasing until we put a negative number. Let's say we put minus 100. So what it does is it brings us a sorted array of what we want. No matter how we put the input, it gives us the sum of the total numbers. It gives us the average of the total numbers. It will give us the maximum and the minimum numbers. So this is what we will be implementing today, and let's get started. So these are the topics that we will be using. We have explained in our previous video, which has variables, if and else statements, loops, inputs, prints, arrays, typecastings, and much more. So let's get started. First of all, if you guys remember, we have to put a header. So let's put dashes and give it like a game name, okay? So we are going to say enter negative to end the loop. And we'll put the same dashes. So that makes it like a constant, it makes it like a game. After that, let's make an empty array called numbers, because while the user is putting the numbers, we will insert it into this array. Now we have something called flag. Flag is true, because while we'll be looping through the numbers, we'll be looping until it gets negative. As soon as the user inputs a negative number, we'll make the flag negative. We are going to say why flag is true, meaning while the user inputs positive numbers and not negative numbers, you loop through it. Okay? We can say, for instance, print. Important syntax, or one syntax to improve. We don't have to write while flag is true. We can say while flag, which means while flag equals to true. Or you can say while not flag, which is while flag is false. We are going to say, we're going to take out the print, and we're going to say numbers equals to int input. Why are we doing int input? Because we're going to take the input as a string, and we're going to convert it to a number so we can append it to the array. So we will get an input, enter a number, and we are going to, as soon as we get the number, we're going to say if number is positive and not negative, append it to the array. So it's more than 0, we want numbers dot append. Basically, we add the numbers to the array at the last index. So we are appending it. We have talked about this in our array video. Else, if the number is negative, please make the flag false. Meaning that still the user has inputted a negative number, and we have to stop the loop. Then we will take numbers and we will make it numbers equal to sorted numbers. So we are taking the array numbers, we are sorting it and putting it back to numbers. This is a built-in function in Python called sorted. It will sort the arrays according from minimum to maximum. And then we will print the numbers. So print the sorted array. After that, we want the sum. So we will say sum equals to 0 for now. We are going to say for I in, we're going to say for I in numbers, or for better practice, let's say for num in numbers, or for number in numbers. We can say for num in numbers, we can say what we want. We want sum equals to sum plus the number. So we are adding every single number that is in the array to item sum. So it gives us a total, and let's print the sum. We are going to say print f string. If you don't know about f string, we have taken that in our previous videos. Make sure to watch that video. We are going to say f string, the sum is, and we're going to put between curly braces sum. Then we're going to print using a statement, the average is. We have to give an average. So we're going to write a variable average equals to the sum divided by the total number of items in the array. So length of the array. Make sure to use parentheses everywhere you can to make it visible and make it more understandable. The average is average now. After that, we have print the biggest and smallest numbers. So equals to, or the biggest number column, we can use max function. This is a built-in function, max. So we're going to say max numbers. And the same thing we can do with smallest number, we can do min. These two things are built in Python for max, min, square root. We have taken about math module in the previous videos. Now let's run it and see what happens. 100, 1000, 22, 33, 44, 55, and we put -1. So this is the output. It gives us a sorted array. It gives us a total sum. We can put space. It gives us an average. It gives us the biggest and the smallest number. So that is for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys learned something, make sure to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.